Hi everyone, I'm Mike Mercurio. I'm a principal with the law firm Offit-Kerman. Today I have the pleasure of sitting down with my friend Caroline Kauffman-Kirschnick. She is president of EMR.
For me, the key has been to surround myself with the most incredible leadership team that one could possibly ask for. And again, credit to my father, who even before I was taking over was allowing me to start developing my group of peers and the future leaders, and to develop those people and for us to have this synergy even before it was time for us to step into those roles. So I have a group of 28 leaders throughout the company that are in some sort of a management position that are they're just absolutely amazing, and I could not do any of it without them. I mean, there's times that it literally brings me to tears because they're just so amazing and so loyal and so good at what they do, and that's how I'm able to keep all 200 employees. And this kind of spins off of what we were just talking about. Even though all those 28 people are not my direct reports, one of the things that I am just a firm believer in is inclusion, and really including people in decisions. So all 28 of those people, even though they don't directly report to me, when we have our leadership meeting, they're all there. We all talk about issues or changes or things together. And part of my message to them is to do that with their people, to when they have a decision or a challenge that they face, to put it out there and ask. We have 200 brains in this company that people have all different perspectives that are very relevant to what's going on in the company. So that's one of the big cultural pieces for me, is just tapping into all of that potential, tapping into all of that knowledge and all of that perspective to help guide and figure out, where the company's going or decisions that need to be made. Another big thing is just having a culture of positive family, caring about our people. If we care about our people and we care about our customers, in my personal opinion, you can't lose with that kind of an attitude and a heart of service, which we are a service company.
Sure.
We're there to help people. So constantly encouraging that message and that feeling into the leaders, which then into the people.